Almost 2 weeks since political campaigning ended, but the signs and billboards are still up. So who will remove them? One mayor contends that if the municipal corporations were paid for the erection of these signs, as they would be in normal circumstances, the corporation could pay to have them removed. Campaigning is done and the election has passed, but across the island a few things remain. Signs and banners of candidates as if they're still vying for office. So who will remove them? Mayor of Lucea, Sheridan Samuels, contends that in the first place, the municipal corporation was not paid for the erection of these signs, so removing them would be out of its hands. In fact, that's why he argued that the entire process was wrong from the very beginning.
I strongly believe that we should have been able to collect for billboards and other advertisements that were placed within the parish itself. And I was expecting that both parties would have approached us, write us a letter, asking for waivers for these signs that were placed there.
But this wasn't so. Normally, persons would pay a fee starting from $200 to erect a sign. He thinks it should have been no different.
The only way that would allow us to collect if council decided that, we should just close our eyes where this is concerned. But we must bear in mind that we have been pressuring other businesses to collect from them for these things. These are what I saw. We would raise a lot of money from this.
With the local government elections due by the end of the year, he thinks it should be addressed soon. As such, though late, Mayor Samuels sought to move a motion for the municipal corporation to waive the fees for these signs, although a formal request was never sent. But one councillor suggested they wait.
Chairman, I think what the best alternative is to share these sentiments at Alga J and then get all the corporations to buy to give us their views of it, and then we can take it forward. Because I understand what you're saying, and I agree with you. Other persons, promoters, have to pay to advertise, and then it's a consensus probably between both parties and probably the accountant general. Because by some way there should be some funds being collected from these advertisements.